Hi guys, CQ1908 here. I've got the UTG Pro Model 47 quick release double rail side mount. Just got it in the mail earlier today. Let me open it up for you guys. So this is what we have here. Now it's got the Picatinny rail on the top as well as on the side. It also has a groove down the center here, so you can still use the iron sights. That's a nice feature. Now this is a little tough getting in, but once you get it in there, it seems to be pretty solid. So what they suggest is loosening this screw here, and it is a Russian screw, so it is righty loosey, lefty tighty. So let's go ahead and install it. To install it, just open the lever like this. Like I said, you loosen the screw down here, which I've already done. And what you're going to do is you're just going to slide it in right here, and right about here is where it starts to get tough. So what I do is I bring the lever up to about a 90-degree angle and use a plastic mallet to get it in the rest of the way. Alright, that's pretty good right there. So now what you're going to do is you're going to tighten the screw up a little bit. So like I said, you turn it left to tighten it. So my screw wasn't too loose, but right there should be good. And then after that, all you have to do is take this lever and finish pushing it down. And now it's on there nice and secure. Let's see here. It's all like, as you can see, you still are able to use, let's see if I can get a better view for you guys. You still are able to use the iron sights here, which is very nice. But overall, it looks like a pretty solid mount. I will put another review up once I get to test it out on the range, see if it can hold zero. Alright, thanks you guys. See you next time.